Xbox and PC gamers looking forward to the highly anticipated launch of the new Sea of Thieves multiplayer pirate adventure game, may be interested to know that this weekend the game has entered its final beta development stage. The Sea of Thieves final beta is open to everyone and can be downloaded for both the Xbox One and PC systems. Check out the developer update below to learn more about what you can expect from the final beta. The final beta will start today, Friday, March 9th, and running through to Sunday, March 11th, 2018 at 10 a.m. GMT. Executive producer Joe Neate explains a little more. Since we began, we've seen our community grow as players go adventuring in our magical world. We've seen battles held, friends made, instruments played, and quite a bit of overindulgence on our surprisingly strong grog. Most excitingly, we've seen many amazing stories from our players, and recently we allowed them to share these with the world during our closed beta. It was incredible to be able to watch players live in Sea of Thieves for the first time, to see their adventures unfold firsthand and to hear the stories they had to share. Sea of Thieves will be officially launching in just a few weeks' time and will be available to play on PC and Xbox One from March 20th, 2018 onwards.